Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Na mamemra so elembele keke. Ene keke na ke awie ena aduru keke so. Keke yenko.
Mama bia mama.
Yes.
I'm free across here about here we ha Kolebu teaching hospital. It Uno free we chrome the over cry. Mama me there ya wo be wa ha say pa obeto me wa ha she kon na mo no she kon wo no if 40 odopete ye gami. It be trust ya asase for.
Eh bajo mi si abrosan na ke misra. Na ke misra. Mini bacho.
Rented apartment. Mame, a strategy ni. Iti pacho. Mama kasa. Pacho yedi na menkasa. O kasa na meti yedi ma yedi.
Me hu ye pa.
Ai, some person yedi nti na me pese. Ma yedi no.
Pass no bo ade po mame.
Bacho yanko.
Mame nchia etiefo omajebra omu tie ye. Na ya yeshia wo hanyina ye nuanom te se de okai na case ye menua pa ye di nkomo ye di bom ye bibia enti no ye ko parliament na ye ko ade esi wo parliament amame on the other side meni age on the other side and so it's very unfortunate say esi ni sa but the ama meni age ni say you see say ye wo nyumbi eto wo Ghana ha say arise Ghana youth for your country. The nation demand your devotion. Edru baby, esanso another one be I say, you better resist the oppressor's rule. With our might, with our strength. Yeah, be resist. Yeah, to a chroma say. But how do we do that? Mama biama, ye see a pekabi mami kebi abang. And then yes, anete. Me no bedin common here for I would can say interesting. Yen yesi ya pekabi mami kebi amemuo enti 1992 ene the constitution ba say ye the way be boy ho bra ade ye be ye nie ade aye nya nie ade ye constitution ade ye unconstitutional enti we nie de be ye adwuma wo kroma ye nyina ya gi atum enti president JJ Rawlings on one the constitution ba no a military leader eno ode ye ba civil way rule aye the constitution ye adwuma olusu about 2000 or handing over my civilian person J. Kufuor. Ye be share de Kufuor so be ye. President Kufuor lusu 2008. And the Professor Mills. Nyakopon Professor Mills. And President Mahama by. And a Ghana for so to abama President Mahama 2012. And on so be so abenyanim. Ye share de President Mahama so ye up to 2016. And a President Kamencha de President Ronaldo Danko Kufuor aba. Mami biama under the American from 92. What is happening in parliament will be under any government be that. Mambiama, Pacho Yanoma Menende.
See that, and I think that this is the first time in the Fourth Republic say Yenya hang parliament.
I am coming there. The reason why in Tia Yenya the Yenya and they say, Abra President Ronaldo Danko Kufuor over 2016. No, Nan Semno Mudi Bano or Mudi Baby President Mahama San say they were desperate for power. No, Omoke can Sema Sebi in Semno Ebi Houtia, who baby son say. I don't need Ghana had the president and I don't call parliament that I don't bar bemuda because in some be wa so can or more can no catch almost say I deal we are more cano it and is this how or make catch say President John Dramani Mahama ye incompetent or ye mutum banza and this ye ni mamamuo and tia popusia by heart and this ye nim de busia ye and this year petaxes do I dear be a President Mahama be wo kroma ibiano they saw it as evil. It's Ghana for who say no. Then there is something better in President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. It's a man opportunity, near man a chance. And it's Ghana for Tuaba. Omunya 162 parliamentarians or 69. Ewo Russia Belgium. What you say? And Ghana for the power ni mano. Ye the power ni man na pe. That is the disaster. Aye wo musesia. And he told us, "Mama bi ama okay so kan e Independence Square. O see ye citizens smile nye den." We should not be spectators. Inti asem mo person ka kire ni say, "Si ewu bibia yenye den, yenka, se bibi ko wrong ga yenye den, yenka." It is a journalist for bibi ko wrong. Not a journalist for air pointing out now because under President Mahama they were speaking. It's when they are pointing it out to you as the president and the commander in chief of the Ghana forces. Do you send your people to go and chase the journalists? Yet Chroma men journalist kasa. Yet Chesi or maybe to me Johnny Free Chroma across South Africa. Is that what we Brian told say Brabe no? Afiyanko enimno. Ghana for say no, we don't believe in what you are doing. Also the free SHS eba, free SHS or but no one can chase over double track. And then Colorado bet 6 months. 3 months, just basa school na ye basa, and the teachers club is a teachers club. They don't even know what is happening. Maybe I'm on them no kasa sesiano. School no omuni busa omu yusu. Can you call on for Fred Yabani new books? Into Colanda near the trauma dear. Say be a boy team near the trauma dear. Say and then near the trauma dear. What are they doing to our educational system? And the educational system not against them. Ediani and Colani nyebi. So these are the problems are gonna full facing. Say see a city to dollar no akwako si saying. Fuel prices akwako si saying. One district one factory that was saying 1 million per constituency. No, not here. Asante baby or free, Asante Achim will be free. No, on beside say, on factory, see what employ the people in Asante Achim will be free. No, on both factories. No, what your body tell me?
Fertilizer factory was Asante Achim.
Employ Crawford.
You were friends, the oil processing factory. It was Asante. You put the two.
You see.
Yeah, no, what was Sammy?
What
no,
yes, one Sammy. But what I'm saying is that factory making an impact in the people?
What are you talking about?
Impact in the factory near maybe I'm going to catch it or not Nyabuche or not kasa film on one kasa film constituency one district on one kasa film constituency me say on one kasa film constituency by
factories the him fan be one
maybe initially me buy me catch it will say so what person taxes free or mine for what not memo for what you create a sustainable job then you can take taxes from them. Some more example no obi ko any sugar obi ye ni oil factory where ye ni tomatoes factory kitu bi baby now we cannot command is tax incentive not work say wo no ni omo ye adwuma no say bi ono ano ni omo ye no akoba ni bibi kakra say o one district one factory na dia betare wa and the impact bi enfa impact bi amba ye enye hwe because you cannot even see your taxes because to me jije taxes no because on expanding ye maybe am dia make out masia it me man example say ono bele no be who Ghana gas factory na wo no etini sen obi who Ghana gas ENI factory no elembele te sen me catch yourself first obi elembele a na say bi ka kwan papa kran ni ani bi nkane ani bi but look at the factory the ababe ye wo ho obotenak Sa hotel no, it's nice hotel. Besides it is because we have a big factory that is employing people, that is paying people well, that people can afford. They make what you say. It will take taxes free some they will not feel it. It's a no belle, no basic chamber and hawk rana. You can use it to rent. So economy na well and no, a grow, a expanding. It is Okuna Santi Achim near what the same factory Bibisa. It is going to expand its place, and President Ronaldo can take taxes from the people. And no one sem nieka. So the lazy man's approach now, President Ronaldo, and in Niaka no Foriato Egana Foton Safo, Ekotina Jubilee House, now they can't think outside the box. What they can think is that Ghana for Yanko book Ghana, Yanko Sankosha Ghana for bottom, Nyanji Ghana for Sika. And that is what Ghanaians are saying, say, President Ronaldo, don't use COVID as an excuse. Mama biama uti assembly omukebia e na covid ne baaye no ama economy na agensem e na covid ne baaye aban pe na covid chewo mama biama covid anchimu wo fie ha mama biama covid na anchimu bi wo fie ha wokese wo fie ha no bebre yanka so mko fie na monya na yentra stadium po nya discussion ni enu by zoom it covid chi obia oton wade aye to stores mu covid chi obia people have lost their job covid chi nkrofo. It's a president Ronaldo didn't need no for yata pena COVID achi omo munye sika. In any case, COVID buy no omo di America call IMF, eko jiska, World Bank, eko jiska, mame bi amaskani anjubi. Despite media group I say, man donate scammer aban. Mame bi ama upe ni bi ne de ma aban no. Nti aban san jiska sen free ho. COVID san twemu yi, o ka say ahochira ba ne ne ma no. Mame bi ama wansan beje COVID tax okroma. Ye ntua COVID tax. Are we not paying COVID tax? Mami biama bola dasuko krom ye gi sanitation tax sebi ene no jam from we wiem kra president na jo do tax oji wo tax itu president na do
one ko jam from we wiem aje no tax
unti air pollution tax no air pollution tax bola tax unti ye
no to air nti ye nyi scan and prevent
it is a president na do open
like climate change
I agree but what I'm saying is that President Nanado already COVID ne ba ya wo de COVID ne ya say COVID ase oman no COVID am oman na conform no President Nanado dan kwaku fado ababa be gi tax enu tina me catch us say u jam from emukra President Nanado gi wo tax e wo kroma ne nyina nso President Nanado
NSC for me
it mama bi amade e kan ne say our MPs are telling President Nanado any MP before ne say what is happening in parliament no Ghanaians voted them into parliament say Ghana for say adie they can resist the suffering of no they should do it for them and that is what you are saying it adie na ba no we told them Mami Biama, Sebi, before Behujano, now we see a Shase, Anameboa, what is happening in parliament? No, they know that at the end of they are not being fair to the ordinary citizens because President Nanado Pushomo Jubilee House said he did that money and Obisa MP Sinibia, Nanaketi, he knows that tax is in here, he levy Baumia tax. No, he knows how it's going to affect the people in his constituency. He knows. In his heart, on him the suffering of the people in his constituency. Says your money my yading. In Crawford Ejuma say, Kakran no Crawford Sansuenyano, Nana Keti, Onyesika Kakran or Bema Nene Nawo, Asanti Achimo Bebia. President Nanado Besa Jinisika, you think Nanake is happy? He's not happy with what his president is doing. But because President Nanado dear, baby Ojina no sebi, and one Ojina, you can't send me on Tiasia. In 1995, a bread VAT ebano. President Nanado ye kumi preko demonstration. Emman Crawford we dentia or say VAT near debano is going to hurt people. It's going to hurt people's pocket. Or ye demonstration. Abaya ye sensitive. What abaya ben ye? And this ya buying yet tenase. And ye change VAT no. And ye be stakeholders engagement.
In all these way ye say no. Has it come to a situation whereby I was see about blows or parliament?
Machel say we will resist the attempt say the constitution near the year Juma and me see
to resist than to
you see me no yeti hey ye din komo ya yeti ye ho asi yeti ha ye din komo yeti ye ho asi yeti ha ye din komo yeti ye ho asi yato ye ho blues mi bisawo yeti ha ye din komo yeti ye ho asi yato blues before ye bedru wono nya boche before ye bedru wono odi ade na eba no Nkrofo bebre so civil societies everybody is telling you say please make consultation yendi ado bye let us have concessions ni ensho kwa ye befa no odi 1.75 nipo e wosoro a mo de monte so kakra po people are saying say
with this this e-levy asma you say no na the bone of contention wa at the committee level,
yes.
Committee for Akotana say Ajiatum.
Committee for Ajiatum, Yanjantum, MPP for Onyaboche.
That's the information.
Yeah, no, the information. That please give the right. You are here to educate, entertain, and inform.
That is the information I had. No. From our correspondents from Parliament.
But we have seen parliamentary documents. We have seen a press conference. Yes.
The committee level, no.
Yeah.
They approved it.
Who approved it?
The committee.
No, the
committee involves both majority and minority.
So the minority voted against it. Majority voted for it. Let's be clear on that, so that the people who are listening can say, NDC for committee no approve here. NDC for near 12 our committee so MPP for 13 so by one no omo chen it baako pe no omo kan no 13 no they voted for it and minority for no voted against it
but at the end of the day
thank you
the committee accepted it.
So we told them say the omaye or committee no now they are coming to the main chamber plenary no so that the plenary will come and do what confirm the omaye and say omo the omaye no yagitumu ana eno mo de ba no speaker mama bisa question when him say on yesterday Joe Wise the first deputy speaker when him say tine konyanim accepting loans approving loans and ran I know they are not wrong
and we are voting yankos
mpacho nya botre you see their argument say and a speaker we he and a speaker ko he no yet kroma ma speaker tu kwan e ma Joe Wise betine konyanim. He has always been there. He has always been there when Joe Wise is there. You see, Mami Biama, let us be fair to the speaker.
Okay.
He has always been there when Joe Wise is Esther affairs. He has always been there. What he say? He has always been there. He has always been there. He's maybe I know. You see, let us know. Me John Troy, I'm telling you the truth. Aden all kono kache Joe Wise on betinasi, Joe Wise and kasa on tenasi. Aden, because that is the rules in Parliament. It is a Joe Wise what betinasi. What approving loans? When some koto jets, approving loans for the military. Yes. And no Joe Wise who say hey had the papa but they drew you live in Ghana for I resist to say and no yempen unim so more approving even the NDC as minority we accepted they say into military plane more. So we are telling them say the speaker it is not illegal. The speaker here what is legitimate is constitutional, it is in their standing orders and it will stand the test of time. We are giving them caution say if they come with clean hands we will come with clean hands, but if they come with bad hands we will resist the oppressor's rule.
Through blows.
Anyway.
Thank you very much. And I would say Emmanuel Ayima Elembele Keke and on
Utie Oha Exi Ponkno Needs FM.